Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with ConvertKit affiliate program step by step clearly. Go to the ConvertKit website. Click on the affiliate link at the top of the page. Scroll down to find the section about the affiliate program. Click on the Join Now button. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't have one. Fill in your personal information in the required fields. Choose a unique username for your affiliate account. Create a strong password that meets security requirements. Check your email for a verification link from ConvertKit. Click on the link to verify your account. Log in to your newly created ConvertKit affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard. Review the program terms and conditions thoroughly. Agree to the terms by clicking the appropriate checkbox. You will now have access to your unique affiliate links. Copy your affiliate link for future promotions. Explore the provided resources for affiliate marketing. Look for promotional banners and email templates. Start sharing your affiliate link on your platforms. Monitor your clicks and earnings through the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.